Did you know that moving to another country could be easier than you think? Imagine living in a place where your money stretches further. The visa process is straightforward and the lifestyle is both vibrant and affordable. If you've been dreaming about a fresh start overseas, you're not alone. Today, we'll take you through 8 of the easiest countries Americans can move to, where the cost of living won't break the bank, and the residency process is designed to welcome you with open arms. Stick around until the end for a bonus country you probably haven't thought about, but absolutely need to know. Malaysia is a fantastic choice for Americans seeking safety, affordability, and an easy visa process. For starters, the country offers a visa-free entry for U.S. citizens for up to 90 days. For those planning to stay longer, the Malaysia My Second Home program provides a renewable 10-year multiple entry visa. Applicants must show proof of financial stability, including liquid assets of about $360,000 and an offshore income of at least $9,500 monthly. The cost of living in Malaysia is a major attraction. Compared to the United States, Numbeo.com noted that living expenses are about 70% lower and rent is roughly 74% cheaper. For instance, renting a one-bedroom apartment in the heart of Kuala Lumpur might cost just $400 a month. Healthcare is another big win. Malaysia is known for its high-quality yet affordable medical services, which are appealing to retirees and long-term residents alike. Beyond affordability, Malaysia offers a vibrant cultural mix. Its population consists of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous groups, creating a rich tapestry of traditions, festivals, and cuisine. Whether you're wandering through street markets, relaxing on a pristine beach, or exploring the country's lush rainforests, Malaysia makes life abroad both exciting and comfortable. In addition to the warm and welcoming people, Malaysia's developed infrastructure, including reliable public transportation and modern amenities, ensures expats can enjoy a convenient and enjoyable lifestyle. Cambodia is another incredible destination for Americans seeking an affordable lifestyle and simple residency options. The country's e-visa system is incredibly user-friendly, allowing visitors to apply online and stay for up to 30 days. For long-term residents, the ER visa extension, commonly known as the retirement visa, can be renewed annually without the need for a work permit, making it ideal for retirees. Living costs in Cambodia are impressively low. A single person's monthly expenses, excluding rent, average just $650. According to IPS Cambodia, renting a one-bedroom apartment in central Phnom Penh costs around $400, while local meals often cost as little as $3. These low costs mean you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without straining your wallet. What truly sets Cambodia apart is its cultural heritage. Home to the magnificent Angkor Wat, the country is a treasure trove of history and tradition. From bustling markets to serene riverside towns, Cambodia offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility for those looking to call it home. Adding to its charm, the friendliness of local communities and the easygoing lifestyle make Cambodia an ideal choice for expats seeking a slower, more meaningful pace of life. Known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka combines affordability with natural beauty and rich cultural experiences. U.S. citizens can easily enter the country using an electronic travel authorization, which is valid for 6 months and allows 2 30-day visits. This simple process is a hassle-free gateway to life in this tropical paradise. Living costs are strikingly low. The average monthly expenses for a single person, excluding rent, hover around $350. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in Colombo city center costs roughly $200 per month. For retirees, these numbers make Sri Lanka a highly attractive destination. The country offers unparalleled experiences, from exploring UNESCO World Heritage sites like Sigiriya Rock Fortress to enjoying scenic tea plantations in the highlands. Sri Lanka's biodiversity is astonishing. It's one of the few places on Earth where you can see both elephants and blue whales in the same day. For nature lovers and adventurers, Sri Lanka delivers an affordable yet unforgettable lifestyle. Imagine the allure of strolling through vibrant markets, tasting flavorful local dishes, and taking in breathtaking sunsets on pristine beaches. Sri Lanka offers all this and more. South Africa's stunning landscapes and straightforward retiree visa make it an excellent choice for Americans seeking a new life abroad. According to IBN Immigration Solution, the retiree visa requires applicants to show a monthly income of $2,000 along with medical and police clearance certificates. Housing in South Africa is surprisingly affordable. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center rents for around $378 per month, and utilities cost an average of $97 for a typical apartment. With 11 official languages and a diverse cultural landscape, South Africa offers a unique blend of experiences. English is widely spoken, making it easy for Americans to integrate into daily life. From the dramatic cliffs of Cape Town's coastline to the vast savannas teeming with wildlife, South Africa is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. With its rich history and vibrant cities, the country offers a dynamic and enriching lifestyle. Additionally, South Africa's world-class wineries, adventure tourism, and warm climate ensure there's always something exciting to explore. The country's infrastructure, including modern shopping malls and accessible healthcare, further enhances the appeal of settling here. Enjoying this journey so far? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more exciting content about life overseas. Now, let's keep exploring. Uzbekistan may not be the first place that comes to mind when thinking about relocation, but it's a hidden gem for budget-conscious expats. The country's e-visa system allows Americans to stay for up to 30 days, and travelers can even secure a 5-day transit visa upon arrival with onward tickets. At approximately $20, the visa cost is minimal, making it an accessible option. Living expenses in Uzbekistan are shockingly low. An estimate from Travel Tables shows that a one-bedroom apartment in the center of Tashkent rents for just $300 per month, while meals at mid-range restaurants cost between $5 and $10. The affordability extends to transportation and utilities, ensuring a stress-free budget for most expats. As a key location along the ancient Silk Road, Uzbekistan boasts incredible historical sites like Samarkand and Bukhara. These cities are brimming with stunning architecture and cultural heritage, offering expats a unique and rewarding lifestyle. Beyond the historical charm, the growing expat community in Uzbekistan adds to its appeal, creating opportunities for social connections and cultural exchange. Vietnam's combination of affordability and vibrant culture makes it a top destination for Americans. Vietnam Portal on Immigration noted that the country's e-visa program is available to U.S. citizens and allows for stays of up to 30 days. For those planning a longer stay, business visas or residency permits are viable options. The cost of living in Vietnam varies by city. In Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, monthly expenses range from $500 to $1,000, depending on lifestyle. Smaller cities like Da Nang offer even lower costs. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in a central area typically costs about $400. Vietnam is rich in natural beauty, from Halong Bay's emerald waters to the terraced rice fields of Sapa. Its bustling cities offer a mix of traditional markets and modern amenities, making it an exciting place to live. Vietnam's burgeoning digital nomad scene and growing expat networks make it even easier to build a community while exploring everything the country has to offer. Tanzania, home to Mount Kilimanjaro and the Serengeti, offers a tranquil lifestyle for expats seeking simplicity and adventure. The country's visa process includes a 90-day multiple entry visa, valid for a year, providing ample time to explore and settle in. Living costs in Tanzania are incredibly low. Monthly expenses for a single person average under $500, while rent can be as low as $200 for modest accommodations. These numbers make Tanzania one of the most affordable options for Americans. Beyond affordability, Tanzania is a nature lover's dream. From the idyllic beaches of Zanzibar to the vast wilderness of its national parks, the country offers endless opportunities for exploration and relaxation. Its welcoming communities and slow pace of life make Tanzania an appealing option for those wanting to escape the hustle of urban living. Whether you're exploring vibrant local markets or immersing yourself in Swahili culture, Tanzania delivers a deeply enriching experience. Australia's straightforward visa process and modern lifestyle make it a popular choice for Americans. As noted by Visa HQ, the Electronic Travel Authority allows multiple entries over a year, with each stay capped at 3 months. This visa is perfect for those testing the waters before committing to a longer-term move. While living costs in major cities like Sydney and Melbourne are high, smaller towns offer more affordable options. Rent outside city centers is 30 to 40% cheaper, and monthly grocery bills range from $350 to $450. Australia's vibrant cities, breathtaking landscapes, and friendly people make it a welcoming destination. Whether you're enjoying the Great Barrier Reef, exploring bustling urban centers, or venturing into the outback, Australia combines adventure with comfort and ease. And now for the bonus country you've been waiting for, Mexico. With its proximity to the US, affordable living costs, and a large American expat community, Mexico is one of the easiest countries for Americans to relocate to. The temporary resident visa allows stays of up to 4 years and requires proof of financial solvency. The cost of living is remarkably low, with rent and daily expenses far below US averages. Whether you're drawn to the beaches of Cancun or the historic charm of San Miguel de Allende, Mexico offers something for everyone. Mexico's vibrant festivals, warm climate, and flavorful cuisine create a lifestyle filled with joy and rich cultural experiences. The accessibility of local markets and affordable healthcare further enhance its appeal, making it an easy choice for Americans seeking a welcoming and fulfilling place to live. As we've seen, moving abroad doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. From the cultural richness of Malaysia to the natural beauty of Tanzania, these countries offer unique opportunities for a fresh start. And don't forget our bonus destination, Mexico, which combines convenience with affordability. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments which country you'd consider moving to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're curious about the next video, we'll be diving into the 10 fastest collapsing cities in Canada. Leave now. You won't want to miss it. See you there.